Okay, when I saw the name of this pattern was no zip and it didn't have elastic, I knew I wanted to try it with this upholstery fabric remnant I had, even though I didn't have quite enough, so I had to lop some off the end and then do the facings in this lining fabric. I edge finished everything because it is upholstery, so it'll fray, and then there I'm sewing down the pocket facing, flipping it over, and top stitching it. Here's the tricky part. When you are sewing on the pockets, on the left side you do the full pocket, but on the right you start at a mark on the pattern and then leave a gap at the top. I don't want to give away the pattern full secret, but this is what allows the give in the fit that you don't need a zip or elastic. Then I'm sewing down the center, front, and back, applying the waistband to the 3 separate sections and making a continuous loop of the facing, pressing everything up, sewing those side seams, and then sewing the facing to the waistband, pressing it over, and stitching in the ditch. The only closure is a buttonhole, which I did on my machine, and then I didn't have space for a real hem, but it was fine as is. Here's the result. I cannot wait to make this pattern again. You have to try it.